Guys, do you want to import data in MySQL Server? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to import data in MySQL Server. So guys, in my previous video, I have already shown you how to export the data, and I have exported my data in this SQL format. You can see here in this file, I'm having only tables. No database has been exported. So you can see the query is there for table. So now I will show you how you can import this data into your MySQL server using MySQL Workbench. Herein guys, I'm just starting MySQL Workbench, and here I'm just entering my password and I've connected to MySQL Workbench. And now guys, here we have two tabs. One is administration tab, another is schema. In administration tab, you can see we have various options. Under management, we have one option known as data import. So just guys select this option, data import, and now here it's asking me several details. So here we will be selecting second option, that is import from self-contained file. So self-contained file is the file which we created last time, or the file having like .sql extension. So self-contained file is like where you will be having queries and you will be importing that queries, through that your table and everything will be generated. So I'm going to select this option, and here I will be clicking on this three dots and I will be browsing my .sql file. So I've just browsed .sql file. So guys, when you export your data, the database is not exported. So here we don't have schema. If you just start importing this, you are landing with error. So what we have to do, we have to first create schema. So let me just take you to this schema tab, and herein guys you can see I have one default schema, that is sys. I will be creating my own schema. So you can go to this toolbar and select new schema, or you can click on new button here also. So I'm just selecting new schema, and herein guys I'm just giving name to my new schema as a demo, and then I'm hitting on this apply button, and here guys my schema is created. Again let me just click on this button. So guys you can see now along with sys I have my demo schema also. Now let's go back to this import option again, and here it's not showing me. So guys now let's go back to import option again. So here I'm just going to administration, management, import, and now again I will be just selecting this option, self-contained file, and here I've just browsed my cscorner.sql file, and guys now here in my schema I will just select from this drop down demo schema. Okay, and then I will click on this start button. So guys now my process has been started, and here you can see it's showing me finished also. So now guys let's verify whether the table has been restored or not. So we will be going to schema tab again, and here I'm just selecting this demo. I'm expanding it, and boom guys you can see I'm getting my student. I will just right click and select all the rows, or select top rows, and you can see it's showing me my data also. In my last video I exported this table. In this video I've just shown you how to import it. So if you are carrying your data from one place to another place, or if you are exporting and importing some other PC, then this video can be helpful for you. So guys I hope you really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. Also guys you can share my video with your friends also. And guys if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Your support is very important to me. Guys I'm there on different social media. I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel. The link of all my social media is in description box. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching, keep learning guys.